Amores. You may also call me Jean, and welcome to my video. For today's video, we will be talking about the Canva on mobile, and we will be having also a small demo for creating a simple design or a post-it. So let's start.
Okay. Okay, I'll be choosing small business. Right now, we'll be using a Canva free, and let's see how different it is from the Canva on the website. Okay, as you can see, it's not much different from the Canva website. It's just that I think it gotten smaller. Yes. Now we still have the search bar for searching content. Still have filter 0 projects. Okay. Still cancel. We also have these filters for recommendation for office. See. Still, it shows all recommendation from popular designs. And we have small tabs here below for projects and our menu. Still the same. And we can press your projects here, or we can directly click here in the tab below. And since we haven't yet made a design or an edit, our projects is empty. Okay, we still have this trash here, so anytime that you accidentally deleted a design, it will not be gone. You can still restore it from here from the trash. Let's go back to new, discover apps. Let's see all the apps. We can import media from Google Drive. You can also use Dropbox here, Google Photos, Instagram. If you don't want to download from your computer, you can use your online storage. Okay, I'll just suggest that if you want to look for photos, images, the non-copyright videos, you can find it here in the Pixels and the Pixabay. But we also have a lot of different free photos and videos here in Canva. We have photo editing tools here. Okay, and then let's go back. Content planner. And the settings. Here in settings, we can change our email preferences, our subscription if you want to subscribe in Canva Pro or in Canva Enterprise. These domains will appear only if you created a Canva website and publish it, and you can find it here. Your account, you can place a photo for your account here in your Canva account. You can change your email address, your name. You can also change the preference of how you'll be using or why will you be using Canva Pro. You can also disconnect your Google account if you want to change it, and you can also change how you want your Canva interface appear. It could be darker, or we can also get back there. I think it will be preferable if you use the light background, so let's go back there. And let's hit the like button. Okay, now let's try to create our graphic design here in Canva. So I'll be creating a Facebook post. Okay, let's try the Instagram post. We can select a template of Instagram post here and try to tweak it or try to take inspiration from it, and we can also create a blank canvas. See this purple button here? It's a way for you to create a new design. We can also search for dimension of what kind of design or what the size of our design will be. So since we chose Instagram post, I'll be clicking this. This would be 1080 by 1080 pixels. Let's click it. And what I like about Canva is it auto saves all your designs, so you will not be having difficulties if accidentally you have closed the application, since it will be saved automatically so you can find it again in your designs. Okay. We still have those templates that we can choose from. Let's try making our own. So just drag it below and click here. Okay, so let's say I want the background color to be a neutral color, but I don't have any collection of colors here, so I'll be selecting, yeah, I think this will be good. Okay, what we'll be creating is, let's say we'll be creating a post about cakes, dessert. So I will be creating a post that will make my followers, audience, to see that I can be one of the choices. So this will be called a brand awareness post. Let's see, let's look for designs that we can use here. Let's click the purple button and we can click here we can choose what we'll be looking for. So I'll be looking for an element. I think we'll be looking for a minimalistic design. So let's search. And done. Click search. Okay, we can use these designs. Take note of these elements with a pro and a crown. These are for pro accounts, or you can buy these elements. So if you use this in your free account, Canva free, you'll see there will be a watermark in your elements, so it won't be good for your graphic design. Okay, so I'll use this. We can resize it according to how you want it. I think it's quite harder to control, but it's still fine. Then let's change the color of this. Oh, I think we can't change the color of this. Let's see. Yeah. This is not the same with those elements that you can change the colors. Let's look for graphics that we can change color. Okay, this one, I'll choose this one. Let's delete this. What I like about this is all of these are just near to each other. And here. Okay. Let's change the color. How do you want it? Now let's choose from this one. Yeah, that's good. And we'll look for a frame. I do like adding frame in my designs because I can add photos with, and since I place it inside a frame, there will be a definite shape that I like, not unlike photos that usually the shapes are square or circles. So this is why I like these frames where you can insert your photos and videos. I want to add this kind of frame. I want it like a sneak peek of the product. Let's choose your photos. If you do have some pictures on your phone already, you can upload it here. Just click the uploads and upload media. But since I want to select from the Canva, I'll be searching inside here. Let's click photo and search for cakes. Okay, we do have a lot of cakes here. Let's see. Okay, we are avoiding those pro because it will oblige us to buy or try the Canva trial. So let's look for free images. Since we have the color in the shade of beige and pink, we might want to look for cakes that are closer to that color. Which one? I want it to be like a sneak peek. So let's use this. And let's drag it inside the frame. We can adjust how it can be viewed inside. So I want it to be like this. And done. Let's just add something. I'll have to type this. I think it's okay. You can have anything, you can design however you want it. Imagination is your limit, and if you run out of imagination, there are a lot of templates you can use, so you've got no problems. And I think I have to change the color. Might be the design. Let's go back, just change the color. I'll make it lighter because I think it's too dark for it. That's enough. And let's add effects. Let's look for a font that would look good and that can show your message to your customers. So I'll be using a calligraphy. When you search for calligraphy here, it will show you those font styles that are in a cursive. Not much of a cursive, but in a cursive style. So I'll try using this. Let's see if we can make it bigger. Okay. Now let's type what the click the background so that I can go back here. We can do some effects for this, like that. Let's click the effects. You can choose how you want the text to display. You can use that. You can also list the nail. But I want it to not be affected by any effects. I think I'll just look for shape. That's it. You can actually control how curved it goes. No. Okay, it's good. It's good. Then let's rotate it. I think it's too much. Okay. We can also add more designs because I think it's too empty. Okay, that's what they did. And if as option, but this is a final design. We can download this by clicking this button above. Then it will ask you for permission to access your photos, media, and files of your device, so we'll allow it. And we have it saved in our gallery. If you want to share this without opening a gallery to others and without opening or signing in a Canva, you can copy this and send that link to that person. And okay, let me correct myself. This button was to save, and this one is to download. Here we can choose if we want it to be in a PNG or in a JPEG or in any format, and we can download this. You can also share it directly. Since we're done, let's go back to the home page. And let's try to check if our design will be shown in the projects. Yes, here's our design. And that's all. That's all for our tutorial for our mobile and for our Canva on mobile.
And that's the end of our video. I hope you have learned a lot for our demo and discussion. I will also be sharing a link of my YouTube channel so you will be able to see some of my videos in my YouTube. And hope you tune in for another upcoming videos. Thank you!